Yeah, this is the I got a spot right here.
I got a spot, but you got to risk your life to get to it.
This is what we just traversed. This rock wall collapsed. Yeah, I can do that. Oh, it's grip. Woo! Beautiful little bluegill. Go on, be free. Beautiful rock bass. Beautiful little feisty smallie. Go on, be free. Woo! Fish on. Such a beautiful little fish. And feisty. Beautiful little smallie. Be free. Oh, it's a nice fish. Another little smallie. They are very big fans of the pink grub, little weighted head. Look at this one.